Team Run It Up, what's poppin'? Back with another one.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.
We starting the day late today, but we just swiped a what was it? 72. A 72 at Costco drop. You know what I'm saying? That's a banger. How many items is that total? 26 items. So that's nothing. $72, 26 items. Let's go. We good. We Gucci. Let's get it. We home. We started late today, so we probably won't hit a crazy number. It's a must now to wake up and start at like 5:30. Before it was like a choice. Now it's a must if you want to hit like good numbers. All right, fam. So we just got to the store. I got this banger from my house because the Wi-Fi is so popping at my house. I called my Wi-Fi company. I said, I need the best. I need the best Wi-Fi. That 1 gig. That 1 giga. Yo, this is so embarrassing. I got one of the loud cards. Listen. In 30 minutes, crushed it. Look at it. All right. Y'all see that separation? A, B. Oh, and we found all the items, so we got in the total amount. All right, let's get it. Got that presidential park right next to the building. Let's go. $13 batch, right? $13 batch. And this customer got some nerve to be asking in her notes, no onions on the sub, and crispy this and this and that and this. And like, yo, $13 batch. You gonna get $13 service. Let's get it. Team Run It Up. I'm just joking. Nah, you want to treat every customer with a 5-star performance, okay? The politically correct answer. All right, so how lazy do you gotta be? We just finished that order, $13, right? The store is right there. You see that? That's the store. The house is right here. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. As you guys can see, my last tip went up a little bit, a couple of dollars. But right now we just got a 37. Let's get it. Team Run It Up.
Yo, okay. Bar is delivering real quick, and I'm watching the car so they don't tow it. But I want to prank them. I'm gonna go park over there. I'm gonna stand out here, and I'm gonna be like, they towed the car. Yo, he's about to be pissed. He's gonna be like, why'd you get out the car? Why'd you let them tow the car? You should have just driven away. Watch. I'm gonna go sit outside on the stairs. He gonna freak out when he comes out. Alright, he's about to come out. I went to the bathroom for 2 seconds and they towed the car. You're such an asshole.
Yo, I looked around for a second, yo. Woo! If that would have happened, yo. Did you see my face for a second? I had to look around. Okay.
Dang, I should have parked like on the wall.
Woo!
Damn.
Hey, guess what day it is?
We gon' party.
Yo, that's copyright. That's copyright. That's copyright. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a Bacardi like it's your birthday. Look, and we don't give up because that's my birthday.
All I want is you.